Okay, again we are repeating the same experiment. Batch which has done the experiment with the gamma spectrometry will be going for alpha spectrometry. And the batch which has done alpha spectrometry will go to alpha spectrometry again for 10 minutes, and you will see the spectrum which is acquired. Okay, and then you take the counts, area under the peak, and then you calculate the activity. Maybe that you can do at in the evening, but so you take the counts, note down the counts, and then come to gamma spectrometry. Then yesterday I said this equation for calculating the polonium activity from the tracer method. You can write down polonium 210 activity. So that is in becquerel is equal to 209 active polonium activity becquerel divided by counts under 209 polonium ROI into counts under polonium 210 ROI. Region of interest, polonium 210 activity, counts under polonium ROI into polonium 210 activity. Yes. Okay. This is also becquerel. Now, polonium 210, polonium tracer activity we know. So, this activity you can take 5 dpm. Okay, or 5.0 divided 60 dps for becquerel into the mass of the tracer. Mass of the tracer. That gives you the total activity in the solution. Right? 5 dps or 5 becquerel. Or 5 by 60 becquerel. So many, this is becquerel. Right?
Should we use the mass in gram or kg?
Huh?
Should we use the mass in gram or kg?
It is up to you. It is up to you. Whether you want to report it in becquerel per gram or becquerel per kg, it is up to you. Okay? Because there are one section of scientists who always use the becquerel per kg who work on radioecology. Yes, ma'am? Yes. Those who work in earth science, they report it dpm or becquerel per gram. So it is up to you. So what we do in the lab today is we note down the counts under this. We note down the counts this. And to calculate the polonium 2 activity, you also require mass of the sample if you want to report it in mass of the sample. Okay. So this mass of the sample Rashmi will give you for the particular sample. Okay. So yesterday we have loaded phosphogypsum sample, and yesterday we kept one for plating deposition. So later, after you finish the gamma spectrometry, if you want, any one of you want, or as a group, you can go there, remove that silver plate. Now it is more than 20, it is almost 24 hours, and by evening it is more than 24 hours, you can remove it, wash it with the alcohol, dry it and put it to the detector. That spectrum will be available tomorrow. Okay. The batch which has loaded sample yesterday will get the data today. The batch will be which loads sample today will get the data tomorrow. Okay. That is the thing. And tomorrow if you want to spend time with the sodium iodide, you can do that. And otherwise what you can do, we can give you reference materials in various geometries, samples in various geometries. You count the sample, you determine the activity. Okay. The target is on Saturday, if I give some sample, you should be able to report the activity of the various radionuclides. That is the target. Okay. So today we are doing gamma spectrometry and alpha spectrometry, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow it is up to your wish, whichever way you prefer. We give you unknown sample, we give you reference material, you count both of them and evaluate the activity. So that will be the real hands-on. Okay? Right. Any questions? Rashmi avartru idu kodlikke heli. Mass of the sample. For the sample, the H-day we have loaded. Ask her to give the mass of this tracer. And you take the tracer activity as 5 dpm. Okay.